Hi there. With the release of Vision OS 2, Jamf Pro now supports enrolling Apple Vision Pro via automated device enrollment. Let's learn how to enroll Apple Vision Pro in Jamf Pro. Before we begin, let's make sure we've got everything ready to successfully enroll our Vision Pro. First, this workflow requires Jamf Pro 11.9 or later and Vision OS 2 or later, so be sure everything is updated appropriately. Next, if you've enrolled devices using automated device enrollment before, this workflow is very similar. So let's make sure the Vision Pro is assigned to the correct MDM server in Apple Business Manager or Apple School Manager. If it is unassigned or assigned to another server, click the ellipses in the top right and select Edit MDM Server to change the assignment. After ensuring our Vision Pro is assigned to the correct MDM server, let's head over to Jamf Pro. Navigate to Settings, Global, Automated Device Enrollment. Select the Automated Device Enrollment instance, and then click the Devices tab. Our Apple Vision Pro should appear in this list of devices, pulled from Apple Business Manager or Apple School Manager. If you change the MDM server assignment, it may take a few minutes for the device to appear here. After confirming the Vision Pro appears in the list of devices, we're ready to assign it to a pre-stage enrollment. Navigate to Devices, Pre-stage Enrollments, and then select the desired pre-stage. Click Edit in the bottom right. It's alright to leave these options configured as they currently are for mobile devices. Setup Assistant on Vision Pro is designed specifically for Vision OS and cannot be customized in the same way as Setup Assistant on iOS and iPadOS. Next, navigate to the Scope tab. Locate the Vision Pro in the list of devices and add it to this pre-stage with the checkbox on the left. Save the pre-stage with the Save button in the bottom right. This Apple Vision Pro is now ready for enrollment in Jamf Pro. After powering on Vision Pro for the first time, proceed through Setup Assistant as normal. Complete the tutorial on gestures with Vision Pro and connect to your Wi-Fi network. On the Remote Management screen, select Enroll this Apple Vision Pro in the bottom right. Vision Pro retrieves the enrollment configuration from Jamf Pro, and the management profile is installed on the device. Continue on to complete the Setup Assistant, and that's it. We can now start using our Vision Pro. To confirm the enrollment is complete, open the home screen and select the Settings app. Navigate to General, VPN, and Device Management. Under Mobile Device Management, we can see an MDM profile from Jamf is now installed on the device. Back in Jamf Pro, we can navigate to Devices, Search Inventory, and perform a blank search to bring up all inventory records. Scroll down to locate the Apple Vision Pro and select the name to open the inventory record. Vision Pro is ready to receive apps and management commands from Jamf Pro. Thanks for watching.